Firework. It's called a Savage.
Savage bird.
Yeah.
America.
You're gonna get out for that one.
Now there's the Savage.
It's a Savage. Something. Oh, it did!
Yeah.
Okay, YouTube.
That was good.
Hope you enjoyed this one. Dad, it's a Savage. Something Baskin. Ella, say hi to the camera.
No.
Okay,
You got a camera.
Okay, at least get your permission to put you in the YouTube video.
Yeah, no. I did not want permission.
Well, they only saw your light, so you're fine, I guess.
Oh, he's not spinning.
Barely.
Oh wait, I didn't see that going off. I did not see that.
Olivine, did you not see that coming, girl?
No, I didn't.
I didn't even know that was going off.
I was. Your sister's scaredy pants.
Yeah, but she won't jump in the shallow end. She's scared.
Oh yes, gentlemen, go out. Go make your circles. Yes, gentlemen.
I already got
yes.
the blue sparkle, so it's fun. Yeah, get me copper, it's strike. Yeah, it's fun. Okay.
Picture me rolling. They hating. Trolling. Trying to catch me.
God and dirty, gotta catch me running dirty. Gotta catch me eating dirty. Gotta not get copyrighted. Oh shit.
Oh, I don't got it.
I don't got it.
Oh my. Epic!
Yeah.
Epic! Let's turn that up.
Somebody that one of us.
Right?
Yeah.
I thought we were doing pretty well there.
Yeah, and someone's trying to one-up us.
Yeah.
Where my one-up be at? Another one going off.
Yeah, that's the chase the ace.
Hey, Mark girl, what are you guys doing?
I don't give him free. I would have got more fun.
Sensitive ears, Nick.
I think I'm not chase the ace.
Okay, I'm in my garage, YouTube.
Is it a sprinkler intermission?
I like this one.
Starts fire.
The last one did.
Yo, how did one was it supposed to happen where the firework exploded and those things all came out?
Oh,
The first one.
That's what happened last time.
That was supposed to happen?
I don't know.
That was pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie.
Either we got a bonus or that one sucked.
I'm assuming that one sucked.
These ones in here and these ones aren't. No,
You guys can't see it, but there's a dog in the camera. Oh, don't worry. They've only seen your blue light.
Blue light.
Yeah, your blue light from your necklace.
This is the TNT carousel.
Oh, let's see the
TNT
TNT.
carousel. Oh, that sounds cool.
You'll see the dog at the beginning of this because I want to show you my dog. It's not real.
Uncle Katie's with us.
Hold hands.
Go, go!
Yeah, you definitely can't see them. I'll look for a better firework. This should be the dog, but that's the shape of
Oh,
him.
guys, look, it's going around in a circle. Is it? Maybe not.
Yeah, my friend.
Yeah.
Yay.
You take like
Okay, YouTube, those are some fireworks. I'm not doing any more.
all I want to see.